Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, yellow color, black color, red color, green color, and white color. Kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1, and here is blue color, O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R E 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. It's neither 6. The numbers of 6, and here is yellow color, S I X 6, 7, S E V E N 7, 8, E I G H T 8. It's again use yellow color and draw 9, N I N E 9, 10, T E N 10. It's neither 11. The numbers of 11, and use black color, 12. The numbers of 12, 13. The numbers of 13, 14. The numbers of 14, 15. The numbers of 15. It's neither 16. The numbers of 16, and use red color, 17. The numbers of 17, 18. The numbers of 18, 19. The numbers of 19, 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.